Our aim now is to solve the following system. So in exponential form, we have ex times e to y equals 100, and e to x minus y equals 2 over 5. Okay, this kind of systems can be solved by just changing the variable and bringing back to what we know, like the regular expressions that we know, like x plus y, or x squared minus y squared, or x over y. So we know this one because we can do this one very quickly. Here we can solve this one too, but we need to make a change of variable. So I think one of the easiest one is to change the exponent. Okay, so e to the x, not the exponent, the whole thing. Okay, so we can let, in fact, we can let u is e to x and v e to y, with one condition that we want to make sure that we do get is that when we plug the exponential, okay, okay, we know that e to x is always bigger than 0. Okay, so the same thing for u and v. So when we do this change of variable, we have this restriction. U is bigger than 0 and v is bigger than 0. Once we get the solution, we want to make sure that we get only these positive solutions because of this condition. Okay, another thing is that we have the second part of the system is e to x minus y can be written as e to x times e to minus y, can be written as e to x times 1 over e to y, which can be written as e to x times over e to y. And using these variables here, we have this one is equivalent or equal to u over v. Okay, therefore our system becomes in this manner. So we have u times v is 100, and u over v is 2 over 5. Don't forget this condition that we have to keep in mind. U and v are both bigger than 0. So we can solve by just solving for one of the variables here. So let's solve for u. So u gives us 2 over 5v, and we can, this is coming from this equation, and we plug it in the first one to get, so uv is u is 2 over 5, v times v equals 100. That means 2 over 5 v squared is equal to 100. That means v squared is equal to 5 times 100 over 2, which is 250. Okay, we solve for v, it's going to be plus minus square root of 250. Okay, but we only accept the positive ones, so we are only going to accept the square root of 250. Okay, because the minus square root of 250 is negative, so we can simplify this one as 25 times 10, which is 25 times 10, which is 5 square root of 10. Okay, now we get v, we can get u from here. So u is going to be 2 over 5 times v, which is going to be 2 over 5 times 5 square root of 10, which is going to be 2 square root of 10. So we have u 5 square root of 10 and v 2 square root of 10. Okay, so once we get these two numbers, so we know that e to x is u is 5 square root of 10, and e to y is v is 2 square root of 10. taking the natural log of the first one and the second one, we get x is ln of 5 square root of 10, and y is ln of 2 square root of 10. Okay. Thank you.